Anybody ever wondered what your own camel would cost if you were to buy your own camel? Here at this place, you can have your bear, and this is how tall he is. So, yeah.